Top 7 budgeting methods you need in 2025. Think budgeting is boring or outdated? Think again. It's 2025 and money management just got a serious upgrade. With AI, automation, and smarter apps, budgeting is now faster, easier, and tailored just for you. In this video, I'm revealing 7 powerful budgeting methods you need to know this year, including one that practically runs your finances while you sleep. 1. AI-powered budgeting. 2. Zero-based budgeting 2.0. The classic method, upgraded. Every dollar you earn is given a purpose, but now it's automated. Apps like YNAB assign every dollar instantly and even adjust when your income or bills change. 3. 50-30-20 rule. Number 3, the updated 50-30-20 rule. 50% to needs, 30% to wants, 20% to savings and debt. But in 2025, tools like Monzo and SoFi let you split your income the moment it hits your account. 4. Digital envelope system. Number 4, envelope budgeting, reimagined. Gone are the days of cash-filled envelopes. Today's tools like Good Budget and Envelopes help you create digital pockets for spending. It's budgeting you can actually see. 5. Gamified saving and spending. Number 5, budgeting that feels like a game. Apps like Zeta, Plum, and Coins turn saving money into a challenge. Save $100 this week? Earn points. No spend weekend? Unlock rewards. 6. Goal-based auto budgeting. Number 6, budget around your dreams. Want to travel, buy a car, or start a business? Goal-based tools like Monarch Money and Chime let you pick your goal, deadline, and they'll auto-allocate funds from every deposit. 7. Privacy-first budgeting. Number 7, privacy is the new luxury. Want to track your finances without your data getting sold? Try Actual Budget, Firefly 3, or even good old Google Sheets plus Tiller for full control. Wrap up. So whether you love full control or want your budget on autopilot, 2025 has something for every money personality. Which method are you trying this year? Drop it in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss another Smart Money video.